Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can update the Shift AI browser to the newest version, for instance to fix various performance issues and bugs. So let us dive into this. So in 2026 guys, it works the following way. Open up the Shift AI browser, for example on your laptop or desktop computer. One option would be to click into that update button in the top right corner. For instance, if the Shift AI browser detects that there is a new update available to be downloaded and to install, you may click into this button and then you will see this button here, Update Shift, to download it and to install it. However guys, if you don't see this but still would like to check if there's a new version available, you may do that too by clicking into that gear icon and here select Advanced Settings, and inside your browser settings to the left select About Shift Browser, and here guys you will see this notification that either there is a new update available or that there are no new versions of updates available. So depending on the given case, you will see this button here to the right to relaunch the browser, so that after the relaunching, the updating may be finished and the newest version may be installed. You will see the version you're currently using listed below. And that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.